What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. I pretty much just woke up. It's an early morning. We are heading over to Nora's house. Today is the big day for the wrap reveal. First things first though, we do gotta stop by the shop. I gotta grab the wrap. The wrap is over there, part of the wrap. The other half came in. I actually dropped it off at the shop because I was thinking I was gonna do it. I've been busy this past week, so everything's crazy. That's why I haven't really been posting either. So sorry for that, guys. But we got the wrap in. We're about to head over to Nora's house to actually go wrap the car. Unfortunately, I'm only gonna be able to wrap like maybe a small portion today because I do still have work this afternoon. So we're gonna try our best to get the car at least wrapped so that you guys can see the wrap reveal. But anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead, head over to the shop and then head over to Nora's house. Alright guys, a little fun fact, I bet you guys didn't know this, but I actually live like 50 minutes to an hour away from Nora. So whenever I'm at Nora's house or whenever he's over here, which he's not really over here because there's nothing where I live. Anyway, whenever you see me at Nora's house, that means like I'm like an hour away from my own home. So if you guys are wondering why we don't do more videos together or whatever, the shop is actually 35 minutes away from me and it's 45 minutes away from him. Now, obviously, if you guys have seen his video, you know that he's not a part of the shop anymore. We could probably talk about that in another video from my perspective, but pretty much, yeah, anytime you guys see us hanging out, we always have to drive pretty far. So unfortunately, that kind of sucks, but we still have a great time. We still love working on cars together. Bringing out videos to you guys, we enjoy doing them. You guys enjoy watching them, so it's all good. Anyway, we're getting close to the shop, so I'll go ahead, catch up back with you guys once we're there. All right, guys, we made it to the shop. So I actually gotta grab the wrap real quick. It's in this back room over here. Now, I don't know if I should show you guys right now what it is or at Nora's house. I think we'll wait till we get to Nora's house. Pretty much, this is how it's looking in here. So we got like Nora's old desk, like all this stuff is gone. So I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like stuff up here. We still got the bumpers. I'm only here for 5-10 minutes. That's why I didn't want anybody to stop by to grab the bumpers, but these still are available. We were trying to get like 50 bucks at least for this 135 one because it's actually in pretty good shape other than just like the tabs that can be fixed. This one though, we're just gonna give away for free because there is some Bondo work. So I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I'm pretty sure he mentioned it in his video about that bumper. So for you guys wondering, hit me up for these bumpers. Also, I'm selling my bumpers, my stock bumpers for my F30 for 100 bucks each. They have all the sensors like on both of them, and then the front bumper also has the holes for like the cameras on the sides, so like right down here on the side. And then we also still have the M3 muffler, the 135 muffler, a 128i intake, which I think it's just a basic N52 intake. So if you guys want that stock, what else is there? Pretty much that's it. I'm selling this for 100 bucks. So if you guys want to stop by and pick this up for 100 bucks, let me know. But anyway, I think that's it for here. I'm gonna grab the wrap and then I will catch up with you guys at Nora's house. All right, guys, we're here at Nora's house. So we've been dealing with a few little things. It's been like about an hour, 2 hours since I got here. We're about to start wrapping the car. Yeah, like I said earlier, I have to go to work today, unfortunately. So we're only gonna be able to wrap a small portion of the car. So I'm thinking we might wrap the hood first and hopefully maybe a fender, but I gotta leave here in like 2.5 hours. I gotta head to work, unfortunately, but this is the only time I could really record today, this week actually. So I'm doing my best over here, guys. But real quick, we're about to show you guys the wrap. I'm so excited. I love this color so much. Can't wait to show it to you guys. I hope you guys will love it too. But yeah, let's go ahead and move out all these cars from Nora's garage and then we'll pull up my car. All right, guys, so we moved out the cars. We got my car in here now. This guy's always got a flex on me. Take a look at this dude.
Hey! Gotta keep them gains up, bro.
Gotta keep them gains. Alright, guys, so now is the moment of truth. Not really a moment of truth, but we got the wrap. Let's go grab the wrap. Ooh, I'm excited, I'm excited. It's a surprise. Should I just like cut to it?
Hold on. I'm gonna introduce it.
We're gonna introduce it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna introduce it? Okay.
Yeah, you guys actually, if you guys watch my channel, you might be familiar with this color.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, so I got some of your stuff in here too, so that, yeah, my car is a little bit of a mess right now, but yeah, guys, here's the wrap. Oh my goodness, dude, this color looks so good. Unfortunately, it already came up, but that's okay for now. Yeah, I know.
We're not gonna need all that.
No, we're not gonna need all this. So
yeah, guys. So I don't know if you guys saw my channel. I actually wrapped my 650i in this color. This thing is so nice.
It's so
we just
clean.
didn't like the car, but the color is so nice. Like this is the same actually color as Finding Nick.
Yeah, he's actually gonna be changing his though. Soon.
Yeah, he's actually changing his color. So Johnson's gonna be the new owner
of the red
color.
The red is so clean for pictures too. And this is what I was waiting for forever, guys. Oh god, it's falling out. It's falling out.
Hold up.
So yeah, I ordered this like a month and a half ago actually, and it just came in like a few days ago. So I don't know if you guys saw.
Wraps are scarce now.
They're really like the nice colors are like gone. They're like
all gone.
They're like all gone.
Legitimately, like wrapping cars now is rare.
It's really hard, especially like a color like that you want, like a nice, like a popping color. So yeah, guys, all the wrap just came in. So I don't know if you guys saw my community community post asking what you guys think I should do. Well, it's here now, so we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping the car. Just look at this color, guys. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good on camera too. In person, it just pops like crazy. For pictures, it pops like crazy. Bro, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and let's start. Let's do the hood. I think we'll be able to knock out the hood, maybe a fender, but I gotta get going here soon.
Bro, you don't even have anything on your fender.
Oh, I don't have anything. Oh, I think we'll be able to
knock out the fenders too.
Yeah, both of the fenders. Okay, well that's good.
Set you guys down then if we knock out both fenders.
Let's go ahead, put it on a time-lapse tripod, and we're gonna go ahead and start doing everything. Bro, the new setup over here. Look at this, guys. Wow.
I'm actually really happy with this.
No, it looks really good in here actually.
So, I got all my stuff over here. Look at my rags right there.
Dude, look at this.
Rags, but
look at it. Oh my god, it's coming together. Oh, dude, this is exciting. I mean, it's kind of sad, but at the same time, it's.
I mean, you're still gonna be here.
I'm gonna be here.
It's like your new shop.
It's like my new shop. Yeah, it's like my new shop. We got an interesting situation at the shop right now, but let's go ahead. Let's start wrapping the car.
So what you got there, Johnny?
Right, so we got the Meguiar's Quick Detailer clay bar kit. So we're gonna go ahead and clay bar the hood.
Dude, the lighting is so garbage. Hold on, come over here.
Yeah.
All right.
Be like 10 times better, right?
Yeah, right here. Already 20 times better.
So yeah, we got the little kit. This is like 20 bucks. Comes with like 2 clay bars.
3.
3?
Doesn't it?
Comes with 3? I don't know.
I thought mine come with 3.
Well, I know I already used one.
Okay.
This, like box, but I know we got one that should be clean.
What?
Yeah, I already used one.
It came in a box?
I bought this like a year ago.
Okay, then that probably came with 2 in a box. This box is sick,
Yeah,
dude.
it's kind of nice.
That's nice.
Oh, I thought it had like a little thing on there. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh, I need a rag too. Do you have a microfiber towel?
Not any clean ones.
I think I have some in my trunk.
Okay, all right.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clay bar the hood. You guys always want to clay bar the hood or any piece that you're gonna do.
It just removes all the dust that you can't remove, like
that you can't see.
You can't see. Yeah. So underneath your wrap may look a little bit wavy or dirty, and you're like, I just washed the car. You didn't, because clay bar removes, like, makes it feel like paint and look like paint. That's why you guys can see my 435 and my 135. Everyone thinks it's paint, but it's not. Yeah. And that does so much of a difference. It's insane.
This right here. So
yeah, right there.
Grab this kit. I might link it down below.
Yeah, yeah.
Check this out.
Amazon special. You know what I'm saying?
Amazon special.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it. So first thing we're gonna have to do is just pretty much wipe it down with some quick detailer.
Yeah. So we'll spray it down with.
And then quick detailer, and then
with both times, pretty much twice.
So a little bit of a process. Prepping first.
Alright guys, so we just finished clay barring the hood. Now we are getting prepared for the wrap. Are you good over there? You hurt your foot. Oh, you dropped on your foot? Oh no. Dude. Oh no. Anyway guys, so we just clay barred the hood. Now we are ready for wrap, so we're just getting ready for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a tripod. Yes, moment of truth. Let's look at it.
Boy.
Oh, bro, look at the bro, the red. Yeah, my car is like 5 different colors.
Once we get the fenders done.
Yeah, once we get the fenders done, it's gonna look a lot better. But dude, the red, look at the red. Oh my goodness, in the light, it looks so good. So yeah, guys, my car is like 5 different colors right now. I got like light grayish blue, red, Orion silver, like the beige champagne color, black side skirts, a different shade of black on the roof, and then like a dark gray bumper. So it's just like a bunch of different colors. But oh my goodness, I'm so happy I went with this red color. Ah, the Dragonfire red, it looks so good. And especially in the light, like the sunlight, it just like, it's so beautiful. It looks so good. Even right here it looks amazing, and it's not even in like direct sunlight. So I can't wait. Let's go ahead and start the fenders. But dude, look at this car, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of upset that I have to leave soon because I want to get this other fender done. It is coming together. It looks so good. Yeah, I'm not gonna have enough time to do this right now, but hopefully within this next week we'll do the fender, the front bumper, I'm hoping, and then maybe a few doors if we have time. But yeah, guys, this is looking so good. I'm so happy I went with this red color because if you guys look inside my car I have like the red interior trim pieces, red floor mats, red stitching on my steering wheel, if you guys can see that right over there. So the red just matches really well with this car, the interior, the exterior. It's an all red car pretty much, not too crazy. It looks really good because sometimes when you do too much red, it just looks really weird, but the interior looks really good just like that. And now with the exterior gonna be red. Oh, I'm excited, it's gonna look so good. But yeah, right now we're just cleaning up.
I don't think black wheels probably look the best on this car.
Black wheels?
I don't think it'll look the best, but it's definitely gonna look better than these.
Yeah.
Eventually, don't go with black.
Yeah, I don't like black wheels because you can't really see like details on the wheels, but I think for now I'm gonna paint these, rock them for a little bit, and then eventually down the road get a new wheel set up. It is really expensive, so I kind of have to wait for a while for that. But in the meantime, with the red and the black wheels, once we get them painted, I think it's gonna look sick. Let's go ahead and clean up real quick and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Oh my goodness, guys. What do you guys think of the red? Was it a good choice? Regardless, I'm keeping it for a long time. I love the red color on the F30s. What do you think?
I think it's sick with the black accents.
I know, the black accents.
You
we don't have to wrap this. We don't have to wrap this. It's so nice.
Gloss black.
Gloss black over here. And then obviously we already wrapped the roof, but now it's coming together with the red.